Hello, everybody. Welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. This week, I'll be sharing the recipe of the crispy paper egg rolls, a lighter and healthier version of the ever popular Kolkata egg rolls. To begin, prepare the dough for the rolls. Take half a cup all purpose flour and half a cup whole wheat flour in a large bowl. Add in 1 teaspoon salt or to taste, tablespoon of oil. Mix well until it is breadcrumb consistency. Knead it into a soft dough using water. Keep aside to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. For the stuffing, in a large bowl, mix together 1 cup finely sliced onions, quarter cup ginger julienne, and half a cup finely sliced cucumber. Add in 1 to 2 chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder jeera, 1 teaspoon coriander powder dhania, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon coriander and mint chutney, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and quarter cup chopped green coriander leaves. Mix well and keep aside. Shape the dough into pairs of small balls. Take a pair and roll them out around 3 to 4 inches in diameter. Spread some oil and dust with a bit of dry flour. Place them on top of each other with the oil side on the inside and seal the edges by gently pressing them down. Roll them out as thinly as possible. Heat a tawa or a griddle. Place the roti and cook on medium heat until bubbles appear on both the sides. Remove to a plate and gently separate the 2 layers. If it is well oiled and dusted, it would be easy to separate them. Take 1 large egg for every 2 rolls. I have taken 2 large eggs for 4 rolls. Gently whisk them with a fork. Add in quarter cup finely chopped onions, half a teaspoon salt or to taste, half a teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, and half a teaspoon cumin powder jeera. Mix well. To prepare the rolls, heat the tawa again. Add in a tablespoon of oil. Keeping the flame on low heat, pour in 2 to 3 tablespoons of the egg mixture. Place one of the thin rotis, oil side down, on top and press it down gently. Cook for a minute or 2. Brush it with oil and turn it over. Cook on low heat until the roti is crisp. To assemble the rolls, place the roti on a flat surface, egg side up. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the stuffing and roll it up tightly. Similarly, prepare the other rolls. The crispy paper egg rolls are ready to serve. Serve them hot with tomato ketchup or chutney of your choice. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.